Facebook me pese oba ono mam de ade akira wo ntina maka chen say wontwen na oba ubetimi abra Facebook Opemsuo radio mo amutimi hwe dadan de I mean you are there na memfa ade ba ko mienu bi nchiro ba NPP a launch your manifesto NDC a launch your manifesto and then no me frase ka say nim dear form NPP mu professors direct any hwan ya mu NPP you with the same quality wo NDC na obisa won say mu bwie na mo ba bonten be ka say we awia me manifesto we afam we a sebe aya na eya asefem kakra na enne me ka man NDC fo atiase enne me ka ama NPP fo atiase abusia say de me ka na no hia mama ha say be mbetwa wada pa na asem be ka asem be etia ba no kre no ena me ka amo atene empempi asem me nyini say is the first time I make empempi na be as ye enne kra ye wo ma ye koto abai who approach MPP the MPP achievement our achieve no or ya no they compare NDC so ubon sa kwan we me na mayi akwan cha ban bia we me na mai so wunim enyed foforo there's that always comparison between MPP and NDC uni NDC ni kasa NDC ni person no so kire say omo ba omo ye bibia chese bro so chen empo the MPP aye. There's always that comparison say MPP ni NDC we di compare no but many MPP for kasa abrabo ye boni ehwe obi asua na de owo ye nim ene ehwe ni sua no nanu a manifesto iba ye MPP for say NDC for manifesto ni empty there's nothing in it aye rudo radansem ni recycling the same message NDC catch MPP say omo manifesto no empty there's nothing in it and the funny say people who say NDC manifesto no empty bibia anima na Ghana for to aba de tia NDC ye no nti una waba una wunim una betimi aye una betimi ama manifesto mu ohwam na uwie na do ho compare NDC na wo say ni manifesto empty na me bisa wo abusian wadwene de wo kan wadwene de wo ye no ye chichiro ban onya agro ne edi o se wo kasa wo ye MPP na mo de mo compare NDC a wo opposition NDC a Ghana atoatia no NDC a woni aba mu ono na ade ho compare no wo fa won compare de wo wanim nipa na wo se wasa nipa na Ghana fo se wasa ya toatia no ono na ado ho compare no dia ene na wonye political party abetimi de Ghana akoba bi I must be honest with you so we Ghana ni we MPP ni na wanya obi anfa ho antoto no say political party like NDC a Ghana force ya to NDC Ghana force NDC form moyen wona abetimi abo wo ba ya de o moyen na wasa no ono na ado ho toto no are you serious as a political party and now to you NDC so free send this MPP empty. MPP for has an MPP has nothing to offer Ghanaians. Aden a wodon ho toto no. Send MPP ninja papa. Na Ghana for nim ene tutia mo. Ene kofa MPP ba ya. Wo MPP na don ho toto no no. Emfa so be pa na wo so. Se woti ho na ye MPP ni na obi wa no professor wo ye obi a hwan wo hia na betra ho ka se NDC for afa manifesto ana NDC for we so ma for master na chese mu mienu no munim hwe because at the end of the day you guys are telling us say we empty yet nipa no empty no timi ka se wo wia wo de aba ne diem ana wo no timi ka se wo so afa ne de aba ne diem it tells us that you guys are not serious as simple as that. I'm not the one saying this. Ayemon sem eni musuban ena ekire saa. NDC minim pa say right from the leader of NDC down me fan say John Dramani Mahama. Ebesi ase edun katia so empanyimfo ahodo a wa NDC mu munim depantentimi let nobody trust NDC. Ebia NDC is a serious political party. Sana ba MPP from Kufuor Nana Ado Dankwa Kufuor president, Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia, and mpanyimfo wo MPP. You are a serious political party. So a serious political party like NDC or a serious political party like NPP, near the Oma Shamunsa, na ase agro, na mo ena we yen ye kwan we si ye kwan chemo en ya ne ye sei ena we ko fa manifesto kan bibia we si ye ne frase ye ne ase mo ya mana ese munye serious. But these two political parties are I mean Ghanaians, the serious Ghanaians, you know, any bibia mukra obubi. And it's all a serious party to say MPP. Now babamu, now with all the people you have, and in the form winning in an want me and found one to talk. I might be a more common him sitting yen, and never be a more ye a boy more a bit me be. Now don't want to do NDC, I will say. And I gonna force you to NDC. One more idea, one who can be NDC asa or the alternative is there and there. They are not the alternatives. That's some now can in an. Yet on I don't want to tuna. Not just a one serious. So now we NDC. Now we see MPP nye papa. Now mo buy ye anasa mo beba. Now mo intimi from one to two a might be. Our ma manim. Now don't want to do MPP. I won't ask you one idea. Now don't want to tuna. Oh, catch them so we serious political party. Sabi ya bo bra ko yanim. Ya dia want to to obi a wonim de, ono ne dia want to to no. Na nipa na wo so wonya ade no. Nipa na enko yie no. Ono da don't want to tuna. Abusua na wo de wa transnagin dem no kan ho. Transnagin ho. Na dia ho to ya ho da bi o. Ya tia no na China for. China for ba. Oh, video na mepe. Kudos to me New York Katacha Fifa. Any Mr. Speaker on work husband or morning show TV. Now no koko China for bi tanon so. China for bagana. Amana num binum eduomanum science ase. Now bra Facebook one more Facebook. This particular video. Why a hospital? Chinese hospital. Any transport network inside Chinese hospital. So this is a hospital in China. So called OPD. It's a big hospital. There's this car inside transport system. Now found oko. Inside aha ebia wako na wani su brew and this have a distance. This is what they are doing. Yet omuba hanuma omutiba be say niema. Ye nyampanyin and fire want to say this is what is happening in other people's country. This is what is happening in other economies. Yet near tiadamo na NDC ye dia ho to ye ho. Now show the other video. This is what is happening. Bola na yen ya hanum bola a say yen no. Singapore, she bola no ofa no wahye no. Washina to heat no or the providing electricity. Heat na eba no or the providing electricity. O we are watching carbon na free sunu mu. Afei dia kana ayese enson no. We eso nu don be. Eso mbe yi akwan a te say ha no ye so bitumen ni coal tar no. Se say anu bi na omo de be yi akwan. Oh pavement blocks. This is the ekoso amanfo krom. Amanfo aman so. Send this beba. No be na dia NDC nya ne niema sade ebi mu ye wo mu emfa nkoto to MPP. Send this uba e chese Ghana form pe MPP. Wo so crowd John MPP mo no modern. Until we end this now ba. This is what we expecting you to do. You don't compare yourself to MPP. MPP ba. This is what we expecting you to do. You don't compare yourself to NDC. Abusa ye buo mayo. Hwe. Me nko akiri kura. And I will cast sama na etia obi a na ban na ne buafu. Me ne ukasa nei. Ye ohanu mo na MPP de planting for food and jobs ebaye. This is a policy that's supposed to provide us food security and job security ni adi nyina. Nanado promise and one village one dam. Wuka we mu nyaboma we supposed to have food security. Me no kasa say Ghana, we have placed ban on export of grains because there's this dry spell in the northern region. Yenyen nsuo and ne serious grains e wose Ghana yetwa ehho akwatwe. So Ghana ban say my export to aduane biom. Yet we had planting for food and jobs. We had one village, one dam. This is supposed to solve the problem. And now yetiano mo ye import to aduane free landlocked countries like Burkina. When in Nema how mine